Can a machine create art that rivals the works of great human artists? A question that might seem outlandish to some, but it's a question that's been occupying the minds of many ever since artificial intelligence took its first steps into the realm of creativity. Artificial intelligence, or AI as we know it today, was born out of a desire to replicate human intelligence, to construct machines capable of thinking and learning like us. This pursuit of artificial cognition was not limited to problem-solving or decision-making tasks. It extended to the sphere of art, a domain traditionally seen as a stronghold of human expression and creativity. The first notable attempt to marry AI with art came in the form of a program named Aaron, created by a British artist and computer scientist, Harold Cohen. Aaron was designed to produce art autonomously, generating original pieces that were intricate and complex. This was a time when computers were viewed as lifeless number crunchers, and here was Aaron challenging this perception by creating art that was uniquely its own. This early experimentation with AI and art opened up a world of possibilities. It raised questions and sparked debates. Could a machine, devoid of human emotions, create something as subjective and personal as art? Could it capture the nuances of human emotion and project it onto a canvas? Or was it merely replicating patterns and styles it was trained on, devoid of any genuine creativity or originality? The introduction of AI into the artistic landscape was met with a mix of fascination and skepticism. On one hand, it was awe-inspiring to see a machine produce art that could pass off as human-made. On the other hand, it was disconcerting to some, blurring the lines between human creativity and machine learning. The dawn of AI art was met with fascination and skepticism as humanity grappled with the idea of machines dabbling in creativity. As we delve deeper into this intersection of AI and art, we'll explore how this relationship has evolved over the years, the controversies it has sparked, and what the future might hold in this intriguing fusion of technology and creativity. From simple line drawings to intricate masterpieces, AI art has come a long way. In the early days, AI art was quite rudimentary. We saw simple line drawings, geometric patterns, and basic color palettes. It was more of an experiment than a form of expression. But as technology improved, so did the capabilities of AI in the art world. The first significant milestone was the development of generative adversarial networks, or GANs, in the early 2010s. These systems, composed of two neural networks, revolutionized AI art by generating new images based on input data. It was like giving a paintbrush to an AI and letting it create its own unique piece. As AI systems became more advanced, they started to create art pieces that were not just unique but also aesthetically pleasing. We saw AI move beyond just mimicking human artists to developing its own distinctive style. It was no longer just about replicating existing works, but about creating something entirely new and original. One of the defining moments in AI art came in the year 2018 with the auction of the AI-generated painting Portrait of Edmond de Bellamy. This piece, created by a Paris-based art collective using a GAN, was sold for a whopping $432,500 at Christie's, a world-renowned auction house. It was the first time an AI-generated artwork was sold at such a prestigious venue, marking a significant shift in how AI art was perceived. But it didn't stop there. Since then, we've seen AI create everything from abstract paintings to hyper-realistic portraits, and even participate in live art performances. Each new development pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible, making AI not just a tool for artists, but an artist in its own right. AI art, once a novelty, has become a profound medium of expression, challenging our understanding of creativity. The evolution of AI in art has been nothing short of remarkable, and it continues to evolve, promising an exciting future for the intersection of technology and creativity. But as AI art evolves, so does the controversy surrounding it. This technology, while captivating in its potential, also presents us with a host of ethical questions that we must grapple with. One of the most prominent debates in the world of AI art revolves around the notions of authorship and originality. Who, we must ask, is the true artist when a piece of art is created by artificial intelligence? Is it the AI itself, or is it the human who programmed the AI? And if we credit the AI, are we not then undermining the very essence of creativity, which is so intrinsically human? On the other hand, if we credit the human, are we denying the role of the AI in the creative process? It's a conundrum that has yet to find a one-size-fits-all answer, and it's one that continues to stir heated debates in artistic and technological circles alike. Then there's the fear that AI might eventually replace human artists, a concern that's not entirely unfounded given the rapid advancements in technology. Some argue that AI, with its ability to churn out art at a pace no human could match, could render human artists obsolete. But there's a flip side to this argument. Many see AI not as a threat, but as a tool, a new medium for human artists to explore and experiment with. In this perspective, AI is not a replacement for human creativity, but a conduit for it, a means through which artists can push the boundaries of what's possible. To further complicate matters, there's also the question of whether AI art can truly be considered art at all. After all, art is often seen as a reflection of human emotion and experience, something that an artificial entity devoid of these experiences cannot truly replicate. The discourse around AI art is as multifaceted as the art itself, adding another layer to its intrigue. As we continue to explore this new frontier of creativity, these questions and debates will undoubtedly persist, adding to the complexity and fascination of AI art. Today, AI has carved its niche in the art world, but what does it look like? In the contemporary art scene, artificial intelligence has become more than just a tool. It has become a collaborator. AI is now used in a multitude of art forms, each with its unique approach and outcome. Let's delve into some of these forms. In visual art, AI is contributing significantly. Artists use AI algorithms to create stunning pieces that push the boundaries of creativity. There's a fascinating blend of human creativity and machine precision at play, resulting in truly unique artworks. Take, for example, the work of Refik, a media artist who uses AI to create immersive, large-scale installations. His work is a testament to the potential of AI in visual arts. In the realm of music, AI has been instrumental in composing pieces that would have been otherwise unimaginable. For instance, the AI system, AIVA, has been creating symphonies, revolutionizing the traditional music composition process. AIVA demonstrates how AI can take a set of inputs and create something entirely original, something that resonates with human emotions. Moreover, AI has been making strides in the world of poetry and literature. Algorithms are now capable of generating verses and prose that are hauntingly beautiful and deeply poignant. Ross Goodwin's AI, for instance, wrote a road trip novel that is both compelling and uniquely machine-made. Let's not forget about dance. Choreographers are now using AI to create complex dance sequences and to explore new possibilities in movement. Wayne McGregor, a British choreographer, has been working with Google's AI to create never-before-seen choreography. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg. Artists across the world are experimenting with AI, pushing its boundaries and exploring its potential. They are creating a new artistic language, one that is born out of the synergy between human creativity and machine intelligence. AI art has not just survived but thrived, proving its potential as a new medium of artistic expression. As we gaze into the future, where do we see AI art heading? The potential developments in the artistic realm are as vast as the universe itself. Imagine a world where AI doesn't just assist artists but becomes an artist itself. As the technology evolves, we could see AI systems creating their own unique styles, pushing the boundaries of creativity beyond our current understanding. Algorithms could learn from the entirety of art history, and then generate something completely novel, something that no human mind could have conceived. AI could also revolutionize the role of the artist. Artists of the future might not use brush and canvas, but algorithms and datasets. They might become more like directors or conductors, guiding the AI in its creation, rather than doing the creating themselves. This could open up new avenues for artistic expression, allowing artists to create works on a scale and complexity that were previously unimaginable. But the potential of AI in art doesn't stop there. It could also change the way we interact with art. Imagine walking into a gallery where the art changes in response to your presence, adapting to your mood, your preferences, your reactions. AI could make art a more immersive and personalized experience, bridging the gap between the viewer and the artwork. And let's not forget about the potential for new art forms. Just as photography and film opened up new avenues for artistic expression in the past, AI could lead to entirely new forms of art in the future. We might see art that exists in virtual reality, art that evolves over time, art that creates itself. The possibilities are endless. The future of AI art is as exciting as it is uncertain, promising a revolution in the way we create and perceive art. As we stand on the brink of this new frontier, we can only guess at the wonders that await us. But one thing is certain, the intersection of AI and art will continue to be a space of extraordinary innovation and creativity.